Endless forests stretched across what is now North America, alive with movement, sound, and survival. And in the center of it all moved a shadow. It didn't stalk, it didn't pounce. It stood its ground. A walking fortress of horn and bone. Triceratops. 68 million years ago, during the final chapter of the dinosaur age, this massive herbivore roamed a land both beautiful and brutal. It was longer than a truck, heavier than an elephant, crowned with a three-horned face and a frill as wide as a dinner table. But Triceratops wasn't just built for battle, it was built for life. At dawn, the herd stirs, not from fear, but routine. You rise with the others, eyes blinking away the dust of the night. Around you, dozens of Triceratops grunt, stretch, and begin to graze. You chew methodically. The plants are tough, but so are your jaws, fitted with hundreds of teeth in tightly packed rows, grinding everything to pulp. The air is warm, still, but never safe. Because this is a world where the ground trembles when predators move. Somewhere beyond the trees, something waits. It smells you, hears you, watches the young at the edge of the group. Tyrannosaurus Rex. But you don't run, you don't panic. The herd closes ranks. Adults rotate, frills out, horns forward, a shield wall of bone and defiance. The predator pauses, and for now, moves on. Later in the day, you visit the nesting grounds. Among the brush and soil, new life struggles free. A hatchling blinks against the light of its first sky. It will grow fast, if it survives, but for now, it chirps and stumbles under your towering gaze. You lean in, nudge it gently, because in this world of titans, the smallest moments matter most. As afternoon fades, the herd moves on. Water is life, and the dry season has begun. You travel miles, feet dragging through cracked earth, senses sharp. Because danger doesn't always come with a roar. Sometimes it comes with silence. Then, the silence breaks. A shriek, a crash. A predator emerges like a shadow from the void. It charges, mouth open, teeth bared. But you're ready. You spin, lower your horns, thud, bone meets flesh. The Tyrannosaur recoils, roaring in pain. The herd erupts, a thunder of muscle and fury. And just like that, the king of predators retreats. Because tonight, you survived. You settle beneath the stars, wounds bruised, but pride intact. You've lived one more day in a world that forgets nothing and forgives even less. You are not the hunter. You are not the fastest. You are not the strongest. But you are still here. Because what Triceratops lacked in speed or stealth, it made up for with unity, power, and resilience. This was no monster. This was a miracle of survival. And though its bones now sleep beneath the earth, its story lives on. Because sometimes the greatest strength is standing your ground.